Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have what I believe is going to be one of the rarest 2020 Silverados out there. This is a 2020 Silverado Crew LTZ Duramax. So, I believe in 2019 or I think it was 2020 for the Silverado, they brought the Duramax diesel to the 1500. Well, it's not a full Duramax like what's in the HD trucks. It is a turbocharged inline 6 diesel. Might be yeah, it is a 3-liter. So those of you that know BMW, 3-liter 6 cylinders are pretty special, especially inline. Look at the amount of rear seat room in this truck. It's just absolutely awesome. LTZ is pretty top of the line for the Silverado. You do have the high country above the LTZ, but there's really not much reason to go that crazy. Pricing on this one, $58,790. Bose sound system. Automatic windows, LED lighting, but yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. I've been driving it in sport mode. You do have off-road and normal, and then if you move it over to the left, you have tow haul mode. Let's go ahead, take it out for a spin. I personally love the light duty diesels. They're just really kind of cool, especially, you know, if you want a diesel but you don't want to sit there and live with a heavy-duty truck every day. Ta-da! Now, they provide a great amount of torque, good amount of power, even though they're not really designed for high horsepower. They do still provide a good amount of power. I think this is something like 400 pound-feet of torque. So that's really what it's designed for, is just delivering like bucketfuls of torque. The 10-speed is mated extremely well to this motor because the power band in the grand scheme of things is quite narrow. Really between 1500 to 3500 RPM is where you're going to make your power. So the fact that the 10-speed can keep it in that zone the whole time is really neat. Well, this is kind of as a joke, but an upside is you will consume a lot less gasoline than any other Silverado. It's because it doesn't take gasoline, it takes diesel. Ah, good joke. No, honestly though, these trucks are absolutely phenomenal. I do wonder, I'm not sure, I don't think you can, at least we don't have any in inventory yet, but I don't know if you can get a Duramax in the high country trim. If you could, that'd be pretty sweet, but even LTZ, pretty good trim. I don't know about you, but that doesn't look too good. And handling is not god-awful either. I mean, obviously you're not looking at a sports truck, but still, really, really nice. Overall though, guys, Duramax is a heck of a motor, and the LTZ is a great truck. You put the two together, you really have an awesome overall package. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.